Yeah, welcome to Stifle Academic Tuition Center. So I want us to do mathematics. Questions on matrices, the last part for matrices. Which is multiplication of matrices. So when we multiply into matrices, we multiply what we call row by column. For example, if you have 2 here, 4 here, then here we have 3, 4, 1, 0. So the best way of multiplying the matrix is by using what we call row by column. Row again by column. So first we need to come up with the order of the matrix. So the order in this case is this is 1 by 1, 2. Okay. This one is 1, 2. So 2 by 1, 2 again. So the order is this one. The order is 1 by 2, like this one. So it means the final answer for the product of the two matrices will be 1 by 2. So now, which is 1 by 2. Right here, so that we compare at the end. So we're going to multiply this. This times this plus this times this. Again, this times this plus this times this. So I'm going to say 2 times 3, like this. Then plus, so this times this plus this times this. So 4 times 1, like this. Then we're going to leave this space here, this space. We're going to say this times this plus this times this. So again, 2 times 4 plus again 4 times 0, like this. And then matrix here like this. So this times this, you get 6 plus this times this, you get 4 in the space here. So this times this, which is 2 times 4, which is 8 plus 4 times 0 is 0, like this. So this plus this, you get 10, and this plus this, you get 8. So this is the final answer. As you can see, we have 1 by 1, 2 as a confirmation for the order of the final answer. So this is how you're supposed to multiply the matrix. Hope it's very much clear. Then also have another question which says find the value of x if 2x 1, 3, 2 is equal to x minus 7, 1, 3, 2 here. So as you can see, this matrix is equal to this matrix. So as you can see, I have 3 and here 3, 2 and here 2, 1 and there 1. So it means again, this part must be equal to this part, So I'm going to say 2x is equal to x minus 7. Then we find the value for x. So I'm going to say 2x, this negative, so this x will come to the left hand side, so to be negative, x is equal to 7. So 2x minus x to be x is equal to 7, which is negative 7. This negative 7, right? So this one will come here and be negative. Yeah, so the answer will be x is equal to negative 7. Yeah, so the question here is given that matrix A is equal to 6, 2, x, 3. Find the value of x for which the determinant of A is 36. So remember what I said in the previous video. So since the determinant, for example, like of A is equal to 6 here, 2 here, x, 3 here. And the determinant for this matrix is what? So determinant determinant for this matrix is what? Is the 6. So I'm going to show that 6 times 3, so 6 times 3, like this, minus remember, when finding the determinant, you need to multiply the major diagonal minus the minor diagonal. So minus 2 times x, 2 times x here. Then is equal to, since our determinant of A is 36. And 36 given in the question is 36. So now I'm going to say this time this is 18 minus this time this is 2x. Then is equal to 36. So we're going to group like them together. So this will remain with negative 2x is equal to 36 minus, so this 18 will come to the right hand side, so to be minus 18. So negative 2x is equal to 36 minus 18, which is 18. So over negative 2 over negative 2. So cancel, so x is equal to negative 9, negative 9. So our x there is negative 9, negative 9. The answer for x, so x is equal to negative 9, negative 9. Good. So find the value of x. So I found the value for x, which is negative 9. Hence, find the inverse of a. So remember what I said in the previous video? When finding the inverse, I said that we need to come up with a matrix. Matrix A is equal to 6 here, x, 2, and 3. Remember, our full matrix for A is 6, 2. Our x, the value that we have just calculated, is negative 9, then 3 here. Then now, don't forget our determinant for A is equal to 36 mentioned in the equation. So now we're going to say our A inverse is equal to, you do like this. So determinant 36, so the inverse of 36 is 1 over 36. Then now these two they swap. So here we have 3, and here we have 6. Then these they change the sign. If it's negative, it becomes positive. So it means this one will be negative 2, this one will be positive 9. Then now you multiply. Or if one can end here, or if one can multiply, you see our A inverse is equal to, so this time this on the calculator to give us 1 over 12. Again, this time this to give us 3 over, okay, you can use the calculator here, so to be 9 over 36, 3 here, 3 here, 12, 3 here, 1, 3 here, 4. So to be 1 over 4, 1 over 4. This time this to be negative 1 over 18. This time this to be 1 over 6. So this one will be our final answer. But don't mind where I'm finding it. You can use your calculator because it's paper 2, so you can just punch 1 over 36 times 3 to give you this answer on the calculator. Again, this times this to give you that answer on the calculator. So this is how you find the inverse of the matrix. So this is a full question, in fact. So before I close the chapter for today, that's a general question. And the equation is solve the following equations. For example, we have option A, 2x minus 1, x plus 2 is equal to 0. So they were supposed to find this one. Sometimes they can give you a question in form of quadratic expression. Then when you reach at this stage, you don't waste time to start expanding or do any other calculation. So what you need to do, you just get this part, which is 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. And also you write or x plus 2 is equal to 0. You get this part is equal to 0 and this part is equal to 0. So you say 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, which is same as this one. So now 2x is equal to, this one go this side, so to be positive 1. Or again, x is equal to be negative 2. So here we're going to say over 2 here, you cancel. So x is equal to 1 over 2 as the answer, or x is equal to negative 2 as the final answer. The option B should be x squared plus 2x is equal to 0. So even that one is a simple one. The best way is just factorize here. What's common here is x. So x and x minus plus 2 here is equal to 0. So remember what I said, you get this part is equal to 0 and this part is equal to 0. So it will be x is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 or x is equal to negative 2. So this is the answer, because these two after crossing the cosine to be negative. So these are just simple equations. Maybe question C. Question C. Question C will be question C is 3x squared minus x minus 10 is equal to 0. So this one we're going to find this is a quadratic equation, and remember this is paper 1, no calculator. So we're going to factorize this part. So we look for product and the sum. So we multiply this times this, so 3 times negative 10. The answer is negative 30. Then again plus sum, this is our sum. So sum we get negative 1. There's 1 here, this 1 here. So now we're going to look for two numbers. When we multiply the two numbers, we get negative 30. When we add them or subtract them, we get negative 1. So the numbers in this case, let's try 5 and 6. 6, 5. So to me, this one needs to be negative. Because when I say negative 6 times 5, the answer is negative 30. Negative 6 plus 5, the answer is negative 1. So we're going to put these numbers between here. So we're going to say 3x squared minus 6x, then plus 5x minus 10 is equal to 0. So I'll group them pair of 2, even here 2. So what's common here is 3x, then we remain with the x here minus 2. Again here what's common is plus 5 into 5, it's 1, so remain with x minus 2 again here is equal to 0. So as you can see, the two parts are equal, so it means we're very much correct. So get 3x plus 5, so get this part and this part. Then again x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then from here, equate this part is equal to 0 and this part is equal to 0. Good, so 3x plus 5 is equal to 0, or x minus 2 is equal to 0. So it's 3x is equal to, this 5 will go this side, so to be negative 5, or x is equal to be 2 here. So over 3, you cancel. So x is equal to positive and negative to be negative, 3 into 5 to be 1, remainder 2 over 3, or x is equal to 2. So these are the final answers. Hope it's very much clear. Hope it's clear.